Whether you're an avid planter or are just getting started on your patch of petunias, it's important to be comfortable and safe while gardening. Gardening boots help prevent your feet from getting wet while you weed and water your plants, and can also provide an extra layer of insulation from cold temperatures. Experts recommend investing in high-quality boots you can wear for multiple seasons. Look for a pair that's weather-resistant, waterproof, and comfortable. These shoes are made to get dirty, so make sure they're easy to clean, as you probably don't want to track dirt all over the house. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Review Finley present Top 5 Best Gardening Boots. Number 5. Muck Boot Muckster 2 Mid-Rain Boot. I'm a huge fan of muck boots, says Becky Searle, an ecologist and botanist who documents her gardening adventures on Instagram at SoMuchMore. She prefers the Muckster 2, as it's light, flexible, and very comfortable. It has a mid-rise profile, excellent grip, breathable lining, and superior debris shedding capability in the garden and beyond. These are my go-to shoes whether I'm in my garden, walking my dog, or doing the school run, Searle says. Stay dry and comfortable in the Muckster 2 collection, ideal for any chore or task. These best-selling classics offer rubber outsoles designed to easily shed debris and provide great multi-surface traction. Whether you are in the garden, running errands, or walking the dog, you'll enjoy these easy-on, easy-off staples for every outdoor pursuit. Number 4. Bogs Savi Slip-On Rain Boot. When I look for boots, I want to make sure they are water-resistant. Something that I can hose off easily, says Timothy Hammond of Big City Gardener in Houston. At the same time, he says, he wants something that is stylish for those times when he might end up in the city for a meeting right after spending time in a garden or at a farm. A waterproof, low-profile boot like this will look at home anywhere the day takes you. They have those beards because Oregon can be wet and cold and gloriously miserable. But with Bogs, your feet are never miserable. Because we have devoted our entire lives to making boots that are lighter and more comfortable than any other boot, in any kind of weather. Boots that are warmer, drier, more comfortable, easier to get on and off, and sometimes cuter than just about anything you can put on your feet. Because we not only have your back, we have your toes. And your heels and your arches. And most of your ankles, calves, and shins, as well. That's just who we are. We're Bogs, and we are 100% comfortable in our own boots. Number 3. Hizia Men's Rain Boots Waterproof. Boots should be comfortable, durable, and affordable, says the highly entertaining Hayton American gardener known simply as Goo, who documents his garden adventure in Fort Pierce, Florida, on Instagram under the name Gardening with Goo. He's a fan of these durable, versatile, all-purpose boots that have all the attributes of the pricier ones, but for much less. What problem are we solving? We are a global brand. Our mission and purpose that guides us in everything we do is to resolve the problem of people's necessities for work and life, defense against outdoor elements, inspire the dream of a better life for you. What makes our products unique? Our products are versatile and functional, easy to take care of. All kinds of products are ranged from men, women to children. Number 2. Hunter Women's Original Tall Rain Boot. Two of our experts swear by Wellies, the classic tall, waterproof Wellington boots you see British people wearing at rock festivals or anywhere muddy. Pulling them on always puts a smile on my face, says Southern California organic gardener and YouTube sensation Callie Kim. She finds them comfortable enough for long days in the garden and perfect for lighter jobs like pulling weeds, light pruning, planting small plants, harvesting, and light digging. These flexible rubber boots can withstand the elements and are 100% waterproof, she says. And no worries if they get muddy or dirty, a quick spray with a hose cleans them up in a snap. Krantz, who says she lives in her gardening boots, has worn Hunter original tall boots like these for as long as she can remember. Number 1. Timberland Men's Premium Waterproof Boot. Dimitri Gatinis, who, along with his wife, Sarah, owns and operates East Harlem's Urban Garden Center, wants people to see gardening as a fun hobby rather than a tedious job. Which might be why, although they have access to all the latest in garden gear, they really aren't picky when it comes to footwear. Sarah wears Birkenstocks, and Dimitri loves these Timberlands. If you're not into typical rubber garden boots, they're waterproof and durable and will do you just fine. These kids' waterproof boots are inspired by the original Timberland boots and feature the same rugged outdoor styling and hard-wearing construction. Designed especially for growing feet, all our girls' and boys' boots and kids' shoes feature premium materials and comfort technologies to fuel their adventures. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.